Hey guys, what's up? It's another Amigo video. Let's see who we can meet today. Hi. What's funny? Hi, Mom! Hello. How you doing? How are you? Thanks. I don't. What's wrong with my dancing? What's wrong with my dancing? You're telling me to stop? I'm enjoying myself. You can't dance? Hi. Hang on. You look like that dude from the Vamps. You look like that singer from the Vamps. Hi. No. I like your hat. It looks cool. Beautiful. Yeah. Doritos. Hi. Oh, I'm sorry. Bye. Did you like that? No. Hello. Thank you. You're not really playing that, are you? You're not really playing that, are you? I got him. I can say the same to you. Hmm? She's what? I don't know why. I don't. Thanks. Hi. I like your jumper. Very Christmassy. Hi. I'm going to kill myself. Why? Because that's not an answer. I hate myself, but you don't see me going to kill myself or gonna hurt myself. I bet your life is probably just as like crappy as mine, but like there's no reason to actually go and kill yourself, is there? Just because you hate yourself and you might hate life, in the end things will get better. What's the point? To live happy, to live as everyone else is expecting you to, I guess, but in your own way. So like, go to job, go to college, get married, have kids and all that load of crap. That's looking at the future is what makes me happy. Because then, like, you've got your life goals. As I'm sure you've got something you want to look forward to. Yes, it will. I bet you anything. You will find someone, you will settle down, you will have a family, and it will be the best day of your life. I bet you. I'm telling you that now. I promise you. Okay. Chin up. Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Bye. Okay guys, that's it for today. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Socials in the box as usual, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.